See two cases of men refusing to pull over, only to be put in their place by no-nonsense cops.
About 6 can be en route from East German, Big Morning.
Right there. Hey.
Fine. I'll be around to her from... Good morning.
Come here.
No. What did I do? What did I do? What did I do?
Hey, step it up.
I wasn't doing nothing. I was not doing nothing. I'm asking you, what did I do?
You don't get out of the car like that. Walk. Come on, I got one to
I was taking a video because I wasn't doing nothing.
Stop turning around on me. I got one detained. Everybody can downgrade. Yeah, thanks, buddy.
No, she's not.
I'm fine. You're an idiot.
No, I was taking a video.
What's your name?
I ain't giving you my
Stop
name.
turning around on me.
What the hell's going on
Stop
here?
turning around on me.
I was
What's your
trying
name?
to take a damn video.
I don't care. That is not your right.
Can you get her away from me, please, so I can talk?
What's your name?
Casey.
Stand back there.
Casey, chill the hell out.
I ain't doing nothing.
Chill out.
She gets on to
Don't be
me.
flexing up.
Well, what the hell am I supposed to do? That's harassment. I wasn't even doing anything.
Casey, chill. Take a deep breath. Take a deep breath.
I will be talking to the sergeant. I want the sergeant out here now,
fine.
please. I was backing up to take a video because she's harassed. That's harassment. She turned around for no reason.
Let me tell you something. I had a reason to stop you, and it's because you didn't have a seatbelt when you passed me. Second of all, don't you ever pop out of the car like that and then back away from me. I don't care if you are recording me. Do you understand what could happen to you?
I did have a seatbelt on.
No, you didn't.
Yes, I did.
No, you didn't.
How the hell do you think I got out?
You can take a seat because it's not on.
Yes, it was.
You're under arrest.
I did have a seatbelt on. Call your sergeant, please. I got out because I wanted to know what the hell was going on, and then she gets up on me. I want a sergeant, please.
Casey, chill out.
Please.
He wants a sergeant.
Well, you can talk to the sergeant here and say,
Please.
come on.
I was doing my job.
Your
And
job.
Yes, I have a DoorDash job.
Also, you see your hazards on and you passed all those, and then you want to throw an attitude with me about where you can and cannot stop. I want you to understand something very clearly right now. You stop when those blue lights come on. You do not dictate where you stop. I don't care. I don't care about your hazards. Understand?
I was trying to get to freaking Robin so I could pull off into a
I don't care. Get in the car.
Fix my cuffs, please.
Your cuffs are fine. I can fit 3 fingers in there. Get in the car.
Come up your car. Stop doing that.
Well,
Stop!
I want to talk to the boss.
Why are you acting like a fool back here, banging your head?
Because I'm pissed. Because I just got harassed. I had my seatbelt on. If the sergeant could pull the video, I had my seatbelt on. And her treating me like that, that is not the way to do it.
You need to stop banging your head inside of the car, Casey.
Because once she slammed me, you cannot slam a person. I had nothing on me, and she will be prosecuted. Mark my word.
Casey, you're going to jail today.
No, I'm not.
Yes, you are.
I'm talking to the sergeant. I'm going to tell him. The only reason I got out was because I was not doing anything.
You're still going to go to jail.
No, I'm not. Because I was not doing anything to her. I was not doing anything of a crime, so therefore
You did commit a crime.
No, I didn't.
You didn't have your seatbelt on.
Bull.
Okay.
Can I talk to you in private?
Sure.
You know what?
He thinks Carson's a sergeant. He wants to speak to Carson in private. What a godsend, right? He said you slammed him on the ground.
I didn't slam him on the ground. I put him against the car.
I was delivering food.
Delivering food? Yeah.
I'll deliver it.
No, you won't.
I'll take it to him.
I'll make sure she's fired. Because
I'll deliver the food, don't worry.
That freaking made me throw my phone, so therefore she's going to be paying for it.
Where's that food being delivered to? I'm going to take it to him whenever we're done.
Listen, usually when someone's not pulling over, that is a heightened sense of awareness for that officer now.
No, there's nothing in that car at all.
What I'm saying is that normally when someone doesn't pull over, when we're conducting a
Which is
traffic
understandable, but she did not have to come out like that.
It's now a safety thing. And
I'll tell you this right
I'm
now.
not saying that you would ever harm a police officer or anyone, but
No.
the fact of the
But
matter is that
I
there are
would say
people
this
who
right
do
now to her. I would not put my hands on an officer. If it come to worst, I'd take a bullet for one of you guys.
And we appreciate that. Did you step out of the vehicle?
I stepped out, went over, stepped back, away from her.
So that's
I was keeping space.
That's another issue, is that when you're on a
But
traffic
she was already getting in a pissed off
it's
mood. She ain't gonna find nothing. I don't know why they searched her.
It's never okay to get out of your vehicle unless the officer asks you to step out of your vehicle.
No,
That's the
no, I
first
was
thing.
backing up, and she was coming at me like I was about to punch her or something.
What's the problem? He's saying police brutality or whatever.
Pulled him over for his seatbelt.
He didn't want to pull over?
No, threw his hazards on back there, past all these spots, goes there, and he's sitting there going, turn on the heart rider. And I said, no, you turn into here. He throws his hands up, squeals his tires, pulls in here, comes to the abrupt stop, gets out, starts backing away while he's trying to film me. I go to grab him, he fights, put him on the car, arrest him, and then I have to basically drag him over here, so he's going to jail.
What can I do for you?
I want to go home.
Well,
I haven't even done anything.
you're not going to go home.
She hasn't.
You're going to go to jail.
Are you serious?
Dead serious.
She.
Learn to pull over when the cops put their blue lights on behind you.
I was working on it.
Do as instructed. Don't worry about trying to get out and film. Do like the officer's telling you to do.
All she had to do.
All you had to do was listen and obey commands, and you didn't do that. When she put her hands on you, that's because you forced that situation. So don't call me over here wanting to complain and this and that when you didn't do what you were supposed to do.
I was fixing to film because I've seen too many instances where things
Okay, I hear that day in, day out. I'm sick of it. She's a good officer. She wasn't going to do anything to you, but you're the one that put your butt in the back of this car. It's your actions that caused you to be where you're at right now. So don't call me over here thinking you're going to catch a kind ear or something like that, because you're the one. So you're the one that messed up. Put your feet in the car, turn around, and catch your ride to jail. Good enough?
Yes, thank you.
You're welcome.
Casey was charged with wearing no seatbelt, resisting arrest, and obstructing government operations. He is innocent unless proven guilty in a court of law.
He's not stopping. Get out.
Hey, dude.
Get out.
Hey, listen.
Get out.
I said I was poisoned. I ain't doing nothing.
Get out. Get out of the vehicle before I rip you out.
Get out. Listen.
Get out.
Listen, I'm complying all the time.
Dude, you didn't even stop.
Listen, I went to the sheriff's station, told them that I've poisoned. I want to get this tested.
Get
then
out.
I go to the next spot.
Get
they
out.
said nothing.
Get out.
Why would I feel safe to
Get out. Get out of your car.
For what?
Get out of the vehicle. Get out.
For what?
Turn around. Put your hands behind your back.
Let me get my phone out, dude. I ain't done nothing. I ain't done nothing, bro.
Don't resist.
I ain't done nothing.
Turn around and put your
What
hands.
have I done?
Turn around.
I didn't even run. I didn't even run. Stop.
76.
Stop. Put your hands on your back. Dude, I didn't even do nothing, dude. Sir, I didn't do
76.
Okay? This is crazy. Please be gentle. Please be gentle. Please. I'm not even trying to fight you.
All right, get up. I'm helping you.
Okay.
Get up.
I'm not fighting you guys, man.
Okay, so why you not stop when
Because I went to the sheriff's station, told them that I feel like I got poisoned. And you guys are slamming.
You didn't use your
They
turn
didn't do
signal,
nothing.
and you should have stopped. You
They
didn't
didn't
stop.
do nothing, man.
All right, come on.
My mom poisoned me. Check that Gatorade bottle, Powerade bottle, please. I ain't even done, dude. That's seriously why I didn't stop. I want to be tested. You guys are slamming me on the ground. I don't feel good.
You got him.
You don't know what happened, the whole situation just now. So,
Well, yes and no.
okay,
Young man, he's my grandson.
okay.
He seems to think he knows more than anybody else. He thinks he can talk his way out of anything. I don't even feel good, man.
All right. What's wrong with you?
Dude, something was
Sit
in
down.
that drink. That's why I went to the sheriff's station.
Okay. We're gonna take glasses
Yeah.
off.
That's why I went to the sheriff's station. Then I went here. They said there's nothing they can do. That bothers me.
Okay. Why did you not stop for me?
Because we're going to the hospital. I already don't feel safe. You guys didn't do nothing at both the sheriff's and the police station. What the? And I ain't run. I didn't stop, I get it. I wasn't, dude, come on, man. Do I look good? I look like right now.
Is there anything illegal in the car?
No, don't go through my please.
You gotta stop when you see the lights,
I
man.
understand, dude, but I just went to the sheriff's
Not only
station.
that, you want to wrestle us on here. Why?
Dude, because I'm trying to talk to you guys like, nah, put him in cuffs. That's what it is.
You just ran from us.
I didn't run, dude. Speeding and getting away is running.
Okay, you gotta stop when you see the lights.
I was getting to the hospital.
All right.
They also gave you lawful order to step out of the vehicle and you refused multiple times.
Oh, don't arrest me, dude. Please.
Put your legs in there.
Please.
I'll talk to you in a minute. Put your legs in there.
Think about it, man. Please don't go through my car.
I keep telling him, well, stop, let's stop.
So you're telling him to stop and he wasn't stopping?
Well, listen, yeah, boy, I'm trying to get him to listen. I know what I'm doing.
Okay, so can you, I'm the officer that tried to stop him. Okay, so I turned my lights on because you guys didn't use the turn signal. Why didn't he stop?
He knows the police around here. He can do about what he wants.
Is that what he said?
No, he didn't. I did.
Okay.
Evidently.
What did he say?
You can't tell him nothing.
Did you tell him to stop?
I said, what are we doing?
Okay. Did he say anything about coming to the hospital prior to?
Yes. He been to the hospital.
Why were you guys at the police department?
Don't have any hard questions.
What were you guys doing there? You're not in any trouble.
We come to tell the police something.
Something?
I think that's what we've come for. You tell them something about something. Now, you ask me a tough question. Ask me what I had for breakfast. I don't know that either.
What are you guys doing there? You're not in any trouble.
What's that? You take a wild guess what that would be. What would that be?
It's some kind of dope, I'd say.
You know what he uses?
Well, hell no. I don't know what I use either.
Sitting right over here by the armrest.
Hey, you want to know why that's there?
Nope, stay in there. What is this?
You want to know why that's there?
What is it, Teddy?
It's meth. Because at the last place when I was living in Toledo, they were gassing me
You have the
when I
right
was
to remain
sleeping.
silent.
When I
Anything
was
you say or
sleeping.
do.
I told you not to go through my stuff.
You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say or do can and will be held against you in the court of law.
This is crazy, dude.
If you do not have it, you don't have to answer any questions without attorney present. If you do not have an attorney
safe,
or
bro.
cannot afford one,
That
one will
kept
be
me
provided
safe.
for you. Okay.
They were gassing me while I was sleeping. Okay? That's why. I swear.
All right. When's the last time you smoked?
Way earlier this morning. You think I'm playing, dude? I'm telling you. I went to the police station. That's why, man. Come on.
Okay.
I'm not lying, dude. I don't play like that.
Okay.
You feel me, man? You know I don't play. I'm not a piece of shit. I don't see why they wouldn't test that. You feel me?
All right.
There might be some residue in there.
Okay.
So I guess we'll charge him for dope too then.
Yeah. I mean, we got to weigh it.
Yeah. No. Yeah. Obviously. Gotta comply.
Why are you guys taking him to jail?
Because he didn't pull over when an officer acted his overhead lights.
2008.
This is the papers for it. Teddy.
How is this what I get looking for help, man?
Are these your phones?
Yeah.
Okay. You want a little bit of air?
Please.
Okay.
So what's going to do is we're trying to get a hold of your daughter, Dawn, and we'll have her come pick you up, okay? And then I'll have her pick up at the PD, okay?
I was at the police station. How can you guys pull me over after I leave the police station?
Okay.
My mom poisoned me.
Okay. So then why did you not comply with the officer when he tried to stop you?
I just stopped at the sheriff's station. They said they didn't want to do nothing. They stopped there. They said they didn't want to do nothing. I didn't feel safe.
Okay, so when he stopped you, you could have just told him the same thing.
Well, I kept the safe speed, and I was like, we're getting to the hospital, Papaw.
You're saying the meth kept you safe?
Damn right, bro. I was in Toledo getting gas.
So was it your meth then?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
I didn't run. I didn't speed.
I mean, you failed to comply with a traffic stop, so.
No, I didn't. I stopped. And I got to a safe area.
Yeah, I give you the keys to the truck.
The keys are in the truck. You're good. No, they're fine. They're going to stay in there.
She's coming. I ain't with her. I don't drive.
No, she's picking you up from here. The truck's going to get towed.
It's going to get towed?
Yeah.
2052.
Teddy was charged with resisting arrest. He is innocent unless proven guilty in a court of law.
Thanks for watching. See you next time.